Hi guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at some clearance items that are currently sitting at 70% off. So, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video, and while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up, just a quick friendly reminder that I have already uploaded several other DG videos for you all this week. We have run deals, we have new glitches, we have overages, we have money makers, we have a clearance event coming up, plus we have new clearance markdowns and a penny list for this week. So if you've missed out on any of those videos, make sure that you go and check them out. I'm going to have them all listed and linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Alright, now let's go ahead and jump right into this video. Like I said, we are going to be going over a couple of different categories that are currently sitting at 70% off. Now, some of you guys may have already seen this video earlier today. I have already uploaded it once. However, I made a little bit of a mistake in that video, and I thought that these categories were included in the clearance event. Now, let me just kind of tell you what happened. When I was out looking for all of the visuals for these items last night, I was talking to a manager, and we just started talking about the clearance event and how all of these items were going to be included. And that is where I started thinking that the back to school categories were going to be included in this clearance event. However, after a couple of you guys pointed it out to me, I went back, I double checked the memos. I do have a couple of ones that look a little bit different from each other, and then I've also seen the clearance event signs, and unfortunately, none of those include the back to school categories. So again, I apologize. Please remember that I am only human. I know that I don't put myself on the videos or anything like that, but I am a real person behind the screen, and I do make mistakes. I am not perfect, and I do not claim to be. So I do apologize. I will definitely be more careful going forward. And honestly, it kind of gives me a little bit of insight as to what these employees are thinking, because she was fully convinced that the back to school items were going to be included. I mean, she was pulling them off the shelf and bringing them up front. So that definitely lets me know that some of these categories are going to vary from store to store, and some stores will be manually marking other categories down at the register. But as always, I will be up bright and early at first thing Friday morning on the first day of our clearance event. I'm going to check out a few things. Hopefully we're going to have some glitches, so y'all make sure that you stay tuned and turn on those notifications. Alright, now let's go ahead and take a look at the clearance categories. Up first, we have our back to school stationery category, and these items are currently sitting at 70% off. So for this category, you want to be on the lookout for these display boxes right here. A lot of these items can be found in those. First up, we have the fractions whiteboard. We also have a telling time whiteboard. And then we also have a few different wipe clean books. So we have the printing practice wipe clean workbook. We also have the addition wipe clean workbook. And then we have this little schoolhouse wipe clean play set. Then we have a couple of different Crayola coloring books. We have the Alpha Pets. And then we also have the Spidey Amazing Friends coloring book. Now we also have some Sharpies that are included in this category. Different colors are included. We have the Papermate Ever Strong pencil pack with the eraser. Next up, we have our Papermate 2-count mechanical profile pencils. Then we also have our Bic Color Cues pens and our pencils. Both of those are a 10 count. And then we have some Zebra pens and pencils as well. Here we have the stainless steel ballpoint pen. And then we also have the Zebra gel pen. And last but certainly not least, we have the Zebra Sarasa 8-count gel pens. Alright guys, up next we have our back to school hardware category, and these items are currently sitting at 70% off. Now, in yesterday's video, I told you guys I was going to run out to Dollar General and try to find all of the visuals for these items, and I did find them all except for one. So make sure that you all stay tuned until the end, And please don't forget that this is a one-woman show. So please don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. All right, so first up, we have the Pink Mace Pepper Sprays. These are normally $6 each. Right now at 70% off, that makes them $1.80. And like I said in my video earlier, I'm already thinking about Christmas presents, stocking stuffers, and these would be great for any teenage driver. If you have elderly people in your family, I've already snagged up a few at $1.80. Next up, another great Christmas idea. I also snagged up a couple of these yesterday while I was out looking for pictures. We have the Lysol Fan and Light, and these are normally $10 each. The UPC code is on your screen, and what this is just a little desk fan, but it also has a built-in flashlight right in the center. All right, up next, we have a couple of lighters included in this category. So here we have the Aim and Flame Torch Utility Scripto Lighter. These are normally $5 each. Also included in this category, we have the Scripto Easy Squeeze Utility Lighter, normally priced at $5, and the UPC is on your screen. Next up, we also have a few duct tapes included in this category. So here's a look at the display box where I found the duct tapes at my store. And again, look high, look low, look everywhere you go, because I also found a couple of these boxes up on the sky shelves. So here we have our ombre rainbow colored duct tape. And then we also have the blue marbled colored duct tape. Both of these were normally priced at $4.25. And right now, they are currently sitting at 70% off, so that makes those just $1.28 each. All right, guys, now moving right along, here are a few more items that are really going to come in handy for us during the holiday season, especially if you like to decorate. So let's take a look at all of the perma-stick items that are included in this category. Now, the picture that I'm showing you all on your screen is one of the display boxes that I found at my store, and I did find this on an end cap, and I also found these items mixed in with the As Seen on TV products. So hopefully that'll make it a little bit easier for you guys to find them. All right, so first up, we have the Mop and Broom Gripper 2-pack. These were normally $4. Right now, they're 70% off, so that makes them $1.20. All right, up next, we have these small white cable clips. This is a 12-count pack, and these were normally $4 each. All right, up next, we have the 12-count clear mini clips. Again, normally $4 each. And then we also have our 12-count clear cord clips. Again, normally $4 each. Now, unfortunately, on this last item, I could not find a picture of it anywhere online, in the stores, anything. But I can share with you all a few clues, and hopefully between all of us, we can come up with a picture. If you find a picture, if you find this item, please send it in to my email, which is crazycoupons1@gmail.com. So let's go over a few clues. First, this is another perma-stick item, so it should be in similar packaging. The description says that it is the clips and holders. We also have the price here at 70% off. It is $10.80 right now, making the regular price $36. So that must mean that this is a much larger item. Alright guys, so that is going to be it for me for now, but y'all make sure that you stick around and stay tuned because I have more crazy deals coming at you all. So before you go, don't forget to do all the things, subscribe, hit that thumbs up button, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.